Thomas! What is it now, Thomas Jr.? Can't you just see the sunny side? And it's still winter, right? That's right. Whoa, what we have here? Hello, I'm Bertie the bus. Who are you? I'm Thomas Jr. It's nice to see you. Well, it's nice to see you too. Say, what's the story about you anyway? What do you mean, what story? Nothing much. So, remember me having a great waste time together? I remember that. Thomas Jr., you've never heard about that, wouldn't you? No, I did not. Well, you're gonna wait and see about the story that I raced Thomas the Tank Engine. You see, I was raising him by the cover of the book, so you can't even imagine me. Alright, let's hear how the story goes. Wait, are we jumping into imagination? Of course we are. The imagination starts now. Wow, I'm in a strange place. This is where Ringo's star works. Hey, Bertie the bus. So, what you been up to? Nothing much. Nice to see you. And who are you? I'm Thomas, the head of the railway, trying to prepare for a big race. Bertie, you gotta be all settled in for the great big race. That's right, bus driver Rib. I'll give it a hand. You hear that, Thomas? Yeah, I heard you. But, Thomas, why are you looking so angry? Because I'm gonna be mad because I'm gonna win the race against you. You see my eyes going freckled? I've never seen this anyhow. But you're going way down to the hill. Maybe or maybe not. Well, you're going way, way down. Thomas, you better calm yourself down, alright? Well, the driver and fireman, I will be on track. And Rib, you gotta drive me. That's right, Bertie. Ready, steady, and puff. Off they go, hand in hand. I'm winning! I'm winning! Woo! I'm looking both ways to see what they're going. Hey, Bertie! Glad you're not too slow. I'll walk both ways. What you looking at? Nothing much, Clarabelle. You go ahead. Got you in the way to Flip Flash. They call me Flip Flash or nothing. A peace at last. Now I'm in the Tidmouth Station. No, that's not the Tidmouth Station. Come on. What does the station look like again? Annie, Clarabelle, do you know what this station is? I don't think it's Tidman, but it was Dryall. You might be right. This is where, the horse lives. Do you know the episode from season 6? Maybe it's like some sort of a horse episode. You might be right, but I can't remember. That's okay. We're gonna be catching up to Bertie anyway. Off in the flash! Off in the flash! We're coming along. We're coming along. Hurry, hurry, hurry. We'll never beat wait on time. We'll never beat wait on time. I'm puffing and puffing. Catch you on the flip side there, Thomas. I'm always panted, Bertie. Just wait in the flash. I'm out of steam. We'll beat Bertie yet. We're never gonna beat Bertie as possible. There goes that windmill again. Thomas, why are you in such a hurry with all these breaths? Well, Bertie, I'm all panted up. Well, I'll see if I can do about it. You will? Sure I can. Well, you gotta wait and see how far it goes. Ah, dear. How much I can get farther from this. Fireman, you made me so happy by putting those tanks into the steam. That's right. Water can only keep you huffing and puffing with all these tanks. That's right. I'll get refilled up once in a while. Are you guys in? Yes, yes. Then let's go. Off I hover. And there goes the part when I catch a fish. The boats are just coming at a red light. And when the bridge is down, I'm all set to go. So long, yachts. Race you there. Not if I were you, Thomas. I'll be waiting. In the tunnel I go. Quirvy tails, quirvy tails. Oh yeah. I've done it again! I've done it again! Look, there's Thomas. Look, there he is. Everyone is so happy about you, Bertie. How did you get back? Well, they said you had a record holder, so that's why you have been such a proud engine. And that's why you're in the history of today. And that's the story about a great big race. I kind of remember that, don't you, Thomas Jr.? Yeah. Can we have some pancakes now? No, thank you, Thomas Jr. But right now, we better head back to Titnif's sheds. None of the tour bus should. And yeah, everyone is happy. Especially everyone else in the shed. Well, I gotta hit a high note. Did you say something? Ah, nothing much. This is the big ending, right?